So we live in the north and it is sweltering hot today.
We just came in from outside and realized how much we needed to drink some water.
Yeah.
Because it's so hot.
So hot.
But one of the things that we wanted to bring up to you guys is that when it is this hot, making sure that you are replacing electrolytes from all of your sweating is so important.
So important.
So drinking water is great, but sometimes you need to add more than just water.
And for those of you that struggle with getting in enough fluid, adding an electrolyte powder to your water is not always super helpful.
Right. But we have some of these Solves Strips, and it's electrolytes that you just put on your tongue and it melts away. I had to take 2 of these this weekend.
Yeah. Yeah, you
Like
did.
I needed it.
Yeah. And felt better pretty quickly
Very
afterwards.
quickly, yes.
So if you're struggling with electrolytes, these are for you.
Solves Strips.
Check them out.
Try them.